Hi everyone, I'm Ricky from Tech Talk, and today we have a great unboxing from AOC. So let's get into the unboxing and setup of this AOC 35-inch widescreen curved monitor. So a massive thank you to AOC who have sent out this monitor for me today. The model number for this is AG352UCG6. It's from their AGON range and it's a curved 35-inch widescreen monitor. We're going to go through some of the specs. I'm going to set it up today and show you around the monitor, and then I will have a full review testing it to its best abilities. Drop a comment down below, let me know what you think. I am really looking forward to testing this out as this is a couple of firsts for me. So it's the first 35-inch monitor I've had. It's the first widescreen monitor I've had, and it's one of the best resolution monitors that I've had, so I can't wait to jump in and test all of these out. And also it's born to battle. So like I said, it is a curved monitor with the NVIDIA G-sync technology built inside. It has 120 Hz refresh rates. It's going to be very quick for your games. They're going to look smooth with no blurred lines, and you're going to be playing for ages and just enjoying the graphics that are coming out on this display. Has a wide viewing angle thanks to a VA panel inside, so I'm looking forward to testing that out and using it from every different angle. The display itself is a WQHD display with a resolution of 3440 by 1440. It's a part of AOC's gaming range. The energy rating for this monitor here in the UK is C. So with a curved display, you're going to feel more immersed and more drawn into your productivity or your gaming, as your eyes are slightly curved anyway, and you're drawn in and you're immersed in this great monitor. So I'm looking forward to testing out that side as well. With this monitor from AOC, you also have their AOC shadow control. You'll have AOC dedicated game mode and gaming color. It has low blue light mode as well, so this will help you reduce your fatigue, and this will mean that you can game for a lot longer. One extra cool thing I do like about this monitor, as you can see in the picture there at the bottom right, actually you can change the colors on your monitor depending on your mood. So you can choose from red, green and blue, and also you can choose your team color. So maybe you're playing in a team and you can have certain colors. So screen size itself is 35-inch in size. It's 4 milliseconds response time. Contrast is 2500 to 1. Viewing angle is 178 degrees each way, so you can see a great view from this monitor from wherever you're sat. Brightness is 300 CDM. The display will show a range of colors from 16.7 million colors. Has 2 speakers built in with 2 watts of power, or there is extra connectivity on the back where you can add your own speakers if you so wish to. The weight of the monitor as well, I just want to talk about this, is 15.5 kilos, and it does have a VESA mount as well. Right, so enough about the specs. Let's dig into the box, let's unbox it, show you how to set it all up, and let's get into it, and I can't wait to test this out. Just taking you a bit closer to the box here, I just like to show this always with every unboxing I do, as I don't want you to damage yourself or the monitor. So you have detailed instructions here, how to remove the monitor from the packaging so you don't damage it. So I just want to show that here. That's just when you lift the first lid up. Then when you come over to this side, it's going to show you about setting up your stand first and the pedestal, adjusting it to your adjustment. There's great adjustment with this. You've got height, swivel and tilt ability. Then you can connect up to your PC here, then just about more connections, and also you can then get started, power up, then you can enjoy your monitor. First of all is your UK 3-pin connection to your power brick. Next up is your display port cable here, so you have display port to display port here, then you can use that for connection. Then we have our HDMI to HDMI cable, so again for connectability. You'll find that connecting USB cable here to connect your monitor to your device, as well as there is a USB hub. Finally, you'll receive the AOC information here, very small booklet, but all their download is available on their website. And then also there is a CD in there with manuals and drivers, and then talking about that energy rating that I discussed earlier. So that's all the cables you get. We're going to move on and connect the stand, and then connect the stand to the display. So first of all, we have our stand here. If I just turn this around, this is made of metal. There are rubberized feet on the bottom, so it will protect your desk, and this will give you a nice height. And now I'm going to just get the column, and then we can connect this together. So here is the column, our connection plate here. Coming around the back as well, you've got your height adjustment there. So what you need to do is just connect this hole into that thread down there with the screw, and then tighten this up as much as you can. And then the column and the stand then are connected together. So what you need to do is place your column inside your stand and then twist, and you'll feel it lock in. As soon as you feel it lock in, this is when you can start to turn this nut just underneath here, and then you can tighten your stand to your mount. So there we go. So now we have our stand and our column together, and I can just bring the camera up here and you can see it's there and it's ready to use. So now we're going to get the display and connect our display up. So I've got my monitor out here. I have laid it on a surface with a cloth underneath, as I don't want to damage this massive 35-inch monitor here, and it does have some weight, so please be careful with that. You've got AOC branding on the back. This is where you're going to see your lights, and it's going to look so cool, and I can't wait to test that out. So a couple of things to point out. First of all, down here at the bottom, so it's on the right hand side, but will be on the left hand side when the monitor stands up, is a Kensington lock for extra security. Right underneath the monitor, actually underneath it, you're going to find a joystick control system in the middle there. That's nice. I do love that with AOC. Coming up then, you do have your connectability here with your display ports, your HDMI ports, audio. Then also you've got a audio jack there as well. And if you tilt just slightly to the left of the monitor, but it'll be on the right this time, is your fast charging USB there, some other audio connectability, and the connection cable that you will need to add to your setup. Then on the top left hand side when resting down, but it'll be on the right hand side when stood up, is a little ear you can flick out, and you can rest your headphones on there when you've actually finally finished doing your gaming sessions. Just in with your cables, you will also find 4 screws in a bag here. Don't throw these out. This is to connect your standing column to your monitor, as it does have a fair weight to it. So these are crosshead screws or a posi screw. They look like this. Just make sure that you take your column and stand here, put the 2 prongs in at the top first of all, then place down, and then screw in individual corners here. Make sure it's tight, doesn't overcross or cross thread. Then your monitor is ready to set up, turn around and enjoy, and I can't wait to jump into this immersive 35-inch widescreen monitor. Now the AOC monitor is all set up, let me know what you think down below. I am so impressed. I am sort of like blown away by this. It's the biggest screen I've ever used. It's the highest screen I've ever used. It's the most wide angle I've ever used. So with my eyesight, that will be okay, I think, because it's centered. It will be okay, because as you know, I have tunnel vision, so I look straight. I don't have any peripherals. The curve is nice, so you're immersed into this galaxy image that I have put on it already. Connected up to my MacBook Pro, no issue. I've used the display port to the Thunderbolt cable here that I already had, or I could have used the HDMI. Again, I just need to connect up to the USB hub, and then I'll have fast charging and an extra USB. If you turn your attention down to the bottom where you've got AGON written in red, you've actually got red lights running along the bottom there, and there's red lights on the back, and you can change these to blue or green, as I said, and I'll show you a picture of that as well. Can't wait to jump into the review, test this out with every experience through my MacBook Pro, with productivity, movie watching, gaming as well, and then also console gaming. So I'll be testing this out console wise. Any questions you have about this monitor or any queries before purchasing, as it is very expensive here in the UK, I will find a link for the best price here in the UK. But any questions you have or any queries, drop a comment down below. I'm going to be more than happy to help. Again, I want to send out my thanks, my gratitude to AOC and the partnership there that we have to review these products. It's so appreciated. So please share your appreciation by giving the video a like, as it does help. Also hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell to stay updated with all my latest videos. So this has been the unboxing and setup of the AOC 35-inch wide gaming monitor with NVIDIA G-sync technology built in. Has great features like 120Hz refresh rate, 4 milliseconds grey to grey, and a whole range of shadow control, game color and gaming experience, and I can't wait to jump in to this beasting of a monitor. And also from my point of view, productivity that I can't wait to test. The model number for this is AG352UCG6. The link will be in the description. Any questions or queries, drop a comment down below and I'll be more than happy to help. Thanks always for watching, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.